Hi! In front of me is FOSSIBot F101 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu and click on this little shortcut with a sun on it next to Brightness slider. If the shortcut is orange, that means that auto brightness is on, but you can always switch it off by clicking on it again. If you wish to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and click on Display. Following that, tap on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!